Hi everyone, I am back with the news that you have been waiting for. It's the weekly giveaway is coming back, and starting from this week I should have done this yesterday, Monday, but I'm putting it up Tuesday. So this giveaway will run until Sunday, which is the, oh my gosh, don't even know what date it is. Hang on, let me work this out. Is it the 27th? If it's not the 27th, I shall put it in the description. But this will run until Sunday, midnight UK time. And this is what I have for the giveaway. It's quite a lot of things. So lots and lots of goodies here for you. Now let me show you what you'll actually get. Let me put these aside for a minute and those, and show you the little goodies here. There's some handmade goodies for your journals and you know, for ephemera pockets, etc. So this is a little book page pocket that I have decorated, some vintage letters on here and lace, and it's just a little pocket to use as a tuck spot in your journal. You can use it as a tuck spot or just use a paper clip. So there's a pocket there. There's a little tea-stained flip out here, which you can tuck in to something, or you could glue it on your page and it would flip out for someone to write on. So that's a coffee-stained flip out with a lovely scalloped edge. I have a little tiny little booklet made from some leftover card and some tea-stained paper, excuse me, dictionary pages, old ledger sort of pages that have got some handwriting on. So there's a little booklet there which you can decorate, and I have made some little bags. So there are 4 of these cute little bags. Oh, that one's stuck down. That's not going to work, is it? Oh, that's it. I'll get it open. I haven't actually checked these. Let me get my there you go. That's just obviously got caught up. So there's a lovely little brown one there, another one made out of vintage book paper. Let me just check. That one's good. This one's made from an old Rupert the Bear book. Oh my gosh, I remember Rupert the Bear, and it is stuck down, but it's not anymore. And then we have another vintage book page one, which I'm just gonna, oops, Charlie. So you have 4 of these little baggy things, which are so cute to tuck into your journals. Wow, you pick your timing, don't you, Mr. Monster? Come on, get off those things. Then I have a corner book page pocket, and that's sewn around and just decorated. There are a couple of envelopes that I have made with the envelope punch board, just from old book pages, and that one I have actually decorated up for you. And I just have a little one there that you can decorate yourself, and I've not sealed it. So there's those envelopes. There's some lovely little, these are from the Smash books, and they're like little journaling cards, and they've just got lovely fun things. There's stuff, fabulous, jotty jot jot, quick, write this good idea down, do it, you're going to knock all that stuff off. Yes, for note taking, super important, and just a plain one. So they're handy. You could, you know, just dress them up or just stick them in your journals. And then I have this wonderful, come on you, being so naughty, right, you're off now. Oh dear goodness me. This wonderful die. Now I bought this from AliExpress, and like a doofus, I actually bought it twice. Yeah, so I'm going to give one away, and the same with the stump set. Now it's a great pocket envelope die, and let me show you. This is what it makes, and if I fold it over for you, I did cut one out earlier like Lupita style. And we're just going to so this is a great little decorative envelope. Now, of course, even if you don't do journaling, junk journals, etc., you can just use these even in cards or just little gifts. Just love the decorative edge on that, and it's just a lovely size. So you have one of these, the same as me. So there is this lovely pocket envelope decorative edged die, and put mine away there so I don't forget. And then we also have this stamp set, which I did exactly the same thing. I ordered it twice, so I'm going to give one away. And these are great. They have Thanksgiving ball, party, good for face value merchandise, free entry, ticket. This is like a combination of tickets, and then you have a script stamp, which is priceless. The script stamp is just fantastic. Use that one probably the most, but tickets are great, and you can just cut these out. I have used mine. I've used my script stamp. I haven't used the tickets yet, but it's a great little addition if you don't have it. And I love the script stamp as well. So there is one of them stamp sets, one of those stamp sets in there. So you get that and all of these paper craft goodies. And all you have to do to have a chance for this giveaway is to be a subscriber. Number one, be a subscriber. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And all my other subscribers that I have, just leave a comment in the description, in the comment box below, and just let me know what is your, what is it that you like to do? What is your fun thing in crafting? Just give me one of your favorite things. I know we've got many favorite things. Or what are you into at the moment? Is it card making, scrap making, scrapbooks, journals, crochet, knitting, sewing? I do not know. Let me know a little bit about you. Let me get to know you all, and I will find one of those random picker thingies programs and pick someone on Sunday. And well, I won't pick it, the random picker will choose somebody on Sunday, and these goodies will be on their way to you. And this is a weekly giveaway, and I'm hoping to do a weekly giveaway every week. That's why it's called weekly giveaway. Okay, Channelle, shush now, get on with it. Go and cook the tea, Channelle. Stop waffling. Just get on with it. So just leave a lovely comment below. Tell me what your thing is at the moment, and then you'll have a chance for this giveaway. So please like and subscribe, and I shall see you all very soon. Good luck. Bye-bye.